In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use ray tracing in GTA 5 on PC and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to discuss ray tracing for GTA 5 and if it is available for the PC releases of the game. So currently, I am playing on PC, and as you might be aware by either looking through videos or just research, you probably know that ray tracing was made available for the newer generation of consoles. So whenever GTA 5 released on those newer gen, they got access to ray tracing. They have plenty of presets such as low ray tracing, medium ray tracing, high ray tracing, and so on. Now, what if we try to use it on PC? Considering that we have stronger graphics cards, it would even be better. So if we go over to the settings of the game, and we select the display or graphical quality, we can see a bunch of options here. Now, under Advanced Graphics, immediately there won't be anything related to ray tracing, which is weird because under Advanced Graphics is where you would expect to find such a thing. So if we go over to Graphics and we browse through all of these, once again, even though we have control over a lot of aspects about the game, ray tracing is not available. So as of today, is this really the case? Is ray tracing only available for the newer generation of consoles? As weird as this may seem, Rockstar never bothered with adding ray tracing in the PC version of GTA 5. It's unsure why they did this because, like I just said, having access to ray tracing on powerful machines would make it even better than newer generation consoles, but for whatever reason, they decided to only release it for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that the official ray tracing release of GTA 5 was only made for newer generation consoles. It's not available for PC for whatever reason. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.